Have you ever wondered how the food on your table is produced? With over 1.3 billion tons of food processed globally worth over $12 trillion, 0 cents. How do they ensure sustainable food safety? What role do technologies like automation and blockchain play in improving production? Join us as we explore the innovations shaping the future of agriculture and processing factories. Who drives the transformation of sustainable agriculture? It begins with farmers, who meticulously care for livestock, ensuring they are healthy and well-fed, using advanced nutrition and veterinary practices. In processing factories, skilled workers operate automation systems that enhance efficiency but still rely on human oversight for quality control. AI-driven farm management uses IoT sensors to monitor temperature, humidity, and animal health, with precision levels reaching 95% accuracy. However, AI cannot replace human expertise in diagnosing complex diseases, managing unexpected situations, or ensuring animal welfare. Ethical considerations such as humane treatment and adaptive feeding require human judgment. As global meat production surpasses 350 million tons annually, the combination of AI and human expertise remains essential for sustainable, responsible livestock farming. Is it true that technology can make livestock farming fully automated? Sustainable livestock farming combines automation with strict biosecurity, high-pressure disinfection systems to eliminate 99.9% of pathogens. And automated waste treatment converts manure into biogas, reducing emissions by 60%. In processing factories, robotic butchers cut with millimeter precision, yet skilled workers ensure quality control and ethical handling. Dr. James Watson, a food safety expert, notes that AI optimizes production, but ethical decisions require human judgment. Have you ever wondered how ethical farming impacts your food? High welfare agriculture ensures humane treatment, securing food safety for future generations. Where does your food really come from? Inside high-tech meat processing factories, cutting-edge technology ensures safety and efficiency from farm to table. Have you ever wondered how robots improve meat quality? AI-driven systems detect abnormalities with 99% accuracy, while precision robotics reduce waste by up to 15%. Can you trace the origin of your meat? Thanks to blockchain technology, consumers can verify sourcing instantly. What about food safety? Advanced testing ensures meat is free from antibiotics and pathogens, meeting global health standards. while technology enhances production, do you think it can replace human oversight? Skilled workers remain essential for ethical decisions and quality assurance, ensuring trust in every bite. Sustainable agriculture is transforming the meat industry, and processing factories play a crucial role in this evolution. Livestock diseases account for nearly 20% of production losses worldwide, making biosecurity and precision farming essential. AI-powered monitoring in smart farms detects health issues with 99% accuracy, while biogas systems reduce methane emissions by 50%. At the processing factory, blockchain tracking ensures 100% traceability, meeting consumer demand for transparency and food safety. With lab-grown meat projected to reach commercial scale by 2030, the industry must act now. Integrating automation, ethical practices, and advanced technology to secure a sustainable and resilient food supply. Every meal we enjoy carries the dedication of farmers, the precision of processing factory workers, and the advancements of modern agriculture. By choosing organic, ethically sourced, and traceable meat, consumers drive demand for sustainable practices. Supporting local farmers and reducing food waste helps build a resilient food system. Imagine a future where every bite reflects care for the planet and people. That future starts with informed choices today. Let's celebrate those who feed us by supporting sustainable agriculture. Subscribe, share, and join the movement toward a healthier, more responsible food industry. Together, we shape the future of food.
Have you ever tasted the exquisite taste of Taiwanese pineapple cakes? Born out of Taiwan's thriving pineapple industry during the Japanese colonial period, these delightful pastries combine a rich buttery crust with a tart pineapple filling, representing the essence of Taiwanese culture. Shopping, which accounts for 50.6% of foreign tourist spending in Taiwan, often includes these beloved treats, with pineapple cakes topping the list. Their appeal is undeniable, as can be seen in airport duty-free shops, where elegantly packaged boxes bearing the words Taiwan or Treasure Island are prominently displayed. Crafted in specialized food factories, pineapple cakes have become a street food favorite, with sales soaring 16-fold in 5 years to an impressive $769 million. Crispy pork belly is a popular Taiwanese street food, famous for its crispy skin and tender meat. The origin of this dish dates back to the Japanese colonial period, and before that when Taiwan was part of China. Taiwanese chefs have skillfully combined pork belly with local spices, creating a unique flavor. Originally sold at street food stalls for its convenience and flavor. Chefs use specialized tools to create holes in the skin to ensure the fat is cooked perfectly, achieving crispiness and keeping the meat tender without deep frying. When the oven temperature is 250°C, it creates a crackling sound that creates air holes on the skin surface, making them crispy and fully cooked after 1 hour of baking. Pork belly is combined with sauces and side dishes to add flavor to the dish. In a food factory, these techniques are often extended to produce uniform and delicious results. Would you like to know more about any information related to crispy pork belly or Taiwanese cuisine? If you've had your fill of both sweet and savory, you can't miss Taiwan's famous breakfast dishes, most notably the traditional steamed bun. Traditional Taiwanese steamed buns are a beloved street food, found at breakfast stalls and night markets across the island. The perfection of the dough, made from flour, water, yeast, and sometimes sugar or milk, highlights Taiwan's culinary artistry. Traditionally kneaded by hand for the best texture, many modern food factories now use machines to increase efficiency. Steamed to perfection in bamboo baskets, these buns come with a variety of filling savory options like minced pork and mushrooms, or sweet options like red bean paste. The role of the food factory in producing these buns reflects their cultural significance and adaptability. Next, we take you to discover a unique dish that makes a strong impression as soon as you smell it. Can you guess what it is? It is stinky tofu, a form of fermented tofu with a very strong smell. Stinky tofu is usually sold in night markets or street stalls as a snack, or in lunch stalls as a side dish rather than in restaurants. Traditionally, it is fermented in brine with vegetables and meat, sometimes for months. Modern factory-made stinky tofu is marinated and brined for a day or two to enhance the smell. Taiwanese stinky tofu is prepared in a variety of ways, including frying, steaming, cooking in soups, and baking, but is most commonly found fried and often served with chili sauce or soy sauce. The color ranges from yellow to black. Some people compare it to the taste of blue cheese, while others compare it to rotten meat. It is said that the stronger the smell, the better the taste. Shenking Old Street in New Taipei's Shenking district is famous for having an entire avenue dedicated to eateries serving Taiwanese stinky tofu. Taiwanese milk tea, a cultural icon and pride of Taiwan, is renowned for its refreshing and diverse flavors. Originating in the 1980s from a serendipitous mix of black tea and condensed milk, this drink quickly gained global popularity. Today, Taiwanese milk tea boasts a range of options, from classic pearl milk tea to innovative variations like matcha and fruit milk tea. Fresh tea leaves, rich milk, and diverse toppings such as chewy pearls, jelly, and pudding contribute to its unique taste. The versatility of Taiwanese milk tea, enjoyed hot or cold, and often paired with friends, underscores its global appeal and influence, even reaching food factories worldwide. Before we wrap up our tour of Taiwan's street food scene, we'll take you to Kinmen, an archipelago of unique history and culture, and its popular souvenir peanut candy. The production process begins with locally sourced peanuts roasted to a perfect golden brown, enhancing their natural flavor and ensuring a satisfying crunch. These peanuts are then mixed with a thick syrup made from malt and sugar, carefully cooked in a food factory under precise temperature control to achieve the ideal consistency. The hot mixture is then poured into molds, shaped and cut into uniform bite-sized pieces. Once shaped, the candy is cooled in a controlled environment to set the texture before being meticulously packaged. The candy's unique combination of crispy exterior and chewy, sweet interior is not only a beloved treat, but also a popular souvenir, capturing the essence of Kinmen's culinary heritage. This careful process, which is carried out in a food factory, ensures that each piece meets high standards of quality and taste. If you have the chance to visit Taiwan, don't forget to try this special candy. Don't forget to click the like button and share the video to help grow the sustainable Trending Farm community.
Thank you for watching the video. Are you having any problems with your livestock farming? Please share your comments and questions. We are ready to answer. If you like our videos, please like, share, subscribe and recommend the channel to your friends so they can watch too. Hello and see you again.